only 1.5 weeks until I move back to Thailand. Today I am on auntie duty.
Yeah, come on, say!
Arrived to Copenhagen airport. It's the last days of summer here in Sweden and it's only 1.5 weeks until I move back to Thailand. I'm so excited, but I'm going to try to enjoy my last days here. So I thought I would pick up the camera because I barely have any vlogs for Sweden. So I thought let's do a vlog my last week here in Sweden. Today is Friday and my mom has a day off, so we're gonna spend some time together. We're gonna go to a lake nearby and do some supboarding, and one of my parents' dogs, Nemo, is also gonna join us. But first we're gonna go to a salad cafe to buy some lunch with us. So we got our salad, so let's drive to the lake. It's maybe just a 5-10 minute drive, so it's not far at all. So we have arrived to my aunt's little place where my mom has the supboards, and it's crazy. I haven't been here all summer. I don't know why, like probably because I've been working a lot, but yeah, at least I'm here now. Better later than never. And my mom has her supboards here. I haven't used it since like last year. And I tried it for the first time then, and I felt in quite a few times trying to stand up and things like that. But yeah, we will see how it goes. I'm probably gonna get wet, and the water starts to be a little bit more cold now, so it's probably gonna be one scream or two from me when I'm falling down. Okay, it could be worse. Kom Mimo, kom då! Kom då! Mimo, ska du bada? Kom! Hon springer och gömmer sig. So that was fun, and I don't know why I thought I would fall into the water. I think I had memory from the last time I did this that I fell into the water, but I think it was because I tried to do handstands and things on the board, not stand up. That was actually pretty easy, but it's really relaxing. And now I was thinking, why haven't I come here earlier this year? But yeah, as I said, better later than never. Now it's time to eat some lunch. We bought some salad. It's gonna be really good to eat. Some salmon salad and some shrimp. Someone wants my food. Nej! So I asked my dad if there was anything he wanted help with before I'm moving back to Thailand, and he said that he wouldn't say no to help to bring in this. So let's go! And we are done. That went a lot quicker than I thought. Before they always used to have a lot more to bring in, but they don't use it to heat up the house. They have a fireplace inside and it's just cozy to make some fire in the winter time, which I'm not gonna experience because soon I'm leaving. I think it's 7 days left today. Today I am on auntie duty. I just picked up my nieces from school and kindergarten. Hey!
Hello.
How are you?
Good. Good.
Did you have a good day in school?
Yes. Yes.
Good. What do you want to do now?
We're going to Grandma and Grandpa's house.
And what are we going to do there? What do you want to do?
Vi vill åka hem till mormor och morfar.
Okay. So they want to go to grandpa and grandma's house, and they want to make one more of these.
Yes.
Do you want to eat something? Are you hungry?
Yes.
Maybe a fruit?
Yeah.
Then later we gonna eat sushi. Not the kids. You don't like sushi? No.
Yeah. I liked sushi.
Do you like sushi?
Yes. Nej, två. Nej. Två gillar jag.
Aha. Okay.
Så det är tjockt.
Let's go.
We're going out the boat down now.
So we decided to go to the playground a bit before we're gonna go to the grandparents. It was so fun when I was a kid. I also used to come to this playground and play. It's pretty nice with a lake here. Hur går det, Nova? Går det bra?
Jag har ganska
Behöver du hjälp?
Jag vill fixa den själv.
Okej.
Jag tycker med.
Is it fun to play?
Yes! Yeah!
Alla säger jag älskar moster!
Jag älskar moster! 1, 2, 3! Älskar moster! We on the playground. Där är några.
Want to stop? She want more and more and more and more and more.
Fyra, fem. Nu ska Matilda
Jag går gärna göra som dig.
Oj, du.
Oj, vilket hopp! Gick det bra?
Oh my shit.
So we are at my parents' house and my sister just came as well, and we're gonna eat. What are we gonna eat? Sushi! I've been eating so much during my last month in Sweden. This is köpkakor. I know it probably doesn't look that much to the world, but trust me, it's delicious. And of course, mom's home-cooked Swedish meatballs. And I also love cold smoked salmon with skagerröra.
Hej då!
It's only 5 days left before I leave now, and it's time to sort out my things. Luckily I don't have that many things here in Sweden, but I have some. I have those 4 boxes here, and then I have this one, and then I have one out here with some stuff. But yeah, as I said, not that many things. And then I'm gonna go through everything because I don't want to save shit I don't use. And then I'm gonna put them in these boxes here. I have done this for maybe like 14 years when I've been traveling and living in Thailand. So when I come to Sweden, I take down these boxes from my parents' loft. And when I leave again, I put them back up. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I don't think it would take too long time, but it needs to be done, so let's start. It's the evening before I'm gonna go, and I'm having my last family dinner here with my family, and we're eating taco.
Vi ses någon annan gång.
Någon annan gång. Vi ses på
länge.
jättelänge. Åh, hej då. Så ses vi på FaceTime. Åh, hej då.
En dom dig.
Lyft henne. Åh, vad konstigt. Ja, jag hoppas det blir jättebra när jag kommer hem igen. Det blir det. Det handlar om lilla mobbaren. Hej då. Hej då. Ja, det ska jag vara. Du med. It's now 10 in the evening, the night before I'm leaving. As you saw, I just had my last dinner with my family. It was my parents, my grandmother, and my sister, her boyfriend, and my 2 nieces. So I just said goodbye to them, and I also packed the last things and checked the weight, and it was 22.8, and I can have 23 kilos. So yeah, perfect. My train leaves tomorrow at 6:30, so yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sleep good, because it feels... Normally I used to stress a little bit more before I go, so now I feel like, have I forget something? But I also feel like, am I gonna go now? Really? I've been so long time in Sweden now. I feel like 8 months is a pretty long time, and it's always funny when you travel from 2 countries, when I have like one everyday life here and one everyday life in Thailand. So when I travel, it feels like my brain can't really catch up, because going from this world to a whole other world, my brain is like, what is happening? And often I feel like when I go back to Thailand, after just maybe 2 days or something, I used to feel like, did this time in Sweden even happen? Like, did I dream, or like, did this even exist? Yeah, it's so weird, but I am really ready to go home back to Thailand now.
Hello.
After 3 hours train ride, I arrived to Copenhagen airport. I just checked in my luggage and it was 22.9 kilo, so that was perfect. So Thailand, here I come. And thank you for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.